you choke on your doubt. Cut you off, watch you die. Just a fairy with the knife. It's nymphology, not psychology. Be the manic pixie dream girl that you forget how to be. Madness, oddity, bought by Sotheby's. Option to a selfish man who thinks that he's the prophecy. NYMPHOLOGY.